The manufacturing industry in Taiwan occupies an important position in globalized production system. However, most of them are small and medium-sized enterprises. I'm Crystal. Today I'll help you to gain a deeper understanding of what risks the manufacturing industry in Taiwan might face and what action they should take to enhance their competitiveness. In recent years, extreme climate disasters have occurred worldwide, and Taiwan is no exception. In addition to directly affecting the production and operation of the manufacturing industry, they are also gradually changing the market demand for goods or services and highly affecting the operation of enterprises. According to Taiwan Climate Change Projection Information and Adaptation Knowledge Platform, under the worst-case scenario, Taiwan's average temperature will rise by 1.8 degrees in 2050. In addition, under the worst scenario, the total annual rainfall in Taiwan will increase by 15% in 2050. Unfortunately, the maximum consecutive days without rainfall in Taiwan will also increase by 5.5% in 2050. Representing the future, Taiwan will face a situation where the dry season gets drier and the wet season gets wetter. Besides, the location in Taiwan makes the highest frequency of typhoons in the world. However, due to global warming, the frequency of tropical cyclones is decreasing. In fact, although the amount of typhoons may become less and less in the future, the threat is bound to become stronger. In addition to direct impacts, there are also many indirect hidden economic costs, such as reduced productivity, complex management procedures, and non-market impacts such as disease spread and ecosystem damage. Flooding is one of the issues. The impact on the manufacturing industry may include damage to materials, equipment, or infrastructures, resulting in the shutdown of the production lines. Another example is water shortage. Like in 2015, Taiwan experienced the worst drought in 67 years, or like in the whole year of 2020, no typhoon landed in Taiwan. As a result, many industrial areas have been forced to reduce water use, which has affected operating conditions. Unstable power supply is also an indirect threat of climate disaster. In the summer of 2017, due to the high temperature in Taiwan, the power supply backup capacity was insufficient for a long time, without spare power for emergency, which indirectly led to a major power outage across the whole Taiwan. Finally, international impacts are also indirect factors. The major supply chains in Taiwan include countries with high flood risk, threatening the supply system. Also, climate change may affect the material costs, such as food price in 2012 due to the heat wave in the United States. After realizing the potential impacts mentioned above, you may have a lot of questions. How should they adapt to climate change? What is the adjustment process? How to assess the risks of climate change to enterprises? Or what kind of references or resources are available? One strong tool is TCFD. Employers can use it to target their physical risks such as immediate or long-term risk, as well as transition risk, to analyze the degree of impact, discover potential financial impacts, and even identify new development opportunities. Under the threat of climate change, the whole society will take the development of the low-carbon society as the ultimate goal. If companies already pay attention to the corporate society responsibility and have invested in the field of climate change, many companies can actually grasp these opportunities. Many Taiwanese manufacturers are actively investing in greenhouse gas reduction. Although these measures cause companies to generate additional expenses in the short term, they can be reduced in the future. The operating cost of enterprises and the low-carbon market has become a new business opportunity. The government also provides relevant resources to help enterprises face the challenge of climate change. The National Development Council have invited experts, NGOs, and industries to establish the National Climate Change Adaptation Policies Framework in 2012. Also, the Ministry of Economic Affairs not only shares relevant information on climate change adaptation through the Industrial Energy Conservation and Carbon Reduction Information Network, but also provides a variety of consulting resources to help the enterprises enhance their ability of adaptation. 25 large enterprises in Taiwan has responded to the 2015 net zero carbon emission target, accounting for more than half of the greenhouse gas emission of the entire manufacturing industry, including 6 major industries such as steel, petrochemicals, electronics, cement, textiles, and paper. The net zero carbon emission action mainly emphasizes the model of first big, then small, then big helps small. The case that has been promoted so far is steel petrochemical co-production. Through a new cross-industry cooperation model, a low-carbon chemical industry trend could form in the future. In the end, climate change adaptation is a cross-sectoral and never-ending work, although the risk impact can reduce after the adjustment action plan. The risk may not be completely reduced. As a result, always review and improve could always be a process to check the effectiveness of the adjustment plan. Thank you.